Your free trial is coming to an end, and it's time to choose a plan and go live. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of switching from your free trial to a paid Shopify plan. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Making the switch is an exciting milestone. It means you're officially open for business. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step. First, know that Shopify will notify you when your trial is nearing its end. You'll see prompts in your admin dashboard. But you don't have to wait. You can select a plan at any time during your trial. To get started, from your Shopify admin, click on Settings in the bottom left corner, and then select Plan. You'll see an overview of all the available pricing tiers: Basic, Shopify, and Advanced. Review the plans and select the one that best fits your current needs. Remember, you can always start with the basic Shopify plan and upgrade later as your sales grow. Once you've made your choice, click Select Plan on your preferred tier. Now, you'll enter your payment information. Shopify will ask you to add a credit or debit card to file. This card will be charged your monthly plan fee, plus any app subscriptions or theme purchases. Rest assured, your storefront will remain active and secure during this transition. A crucial pro tip: after you add your card, you might still have a few days left in your trial. Shopify will clearly show your billing date. You won't be charged until your trial period is completely over, so you can continue setting up until the very last moment. And that's it. With a few clicks, you've officially graduated from a trial to a full-fledged, live store. Huge congratulations! If this guide helped you cross the finish line, please give it a like. How did your launch go? Share your success story in the comments below. To master your new dashboard, subscribe for our next video on how to use the Shopify admin. Thanks for watching.